Niño Mauricio, I did DHI hair transplant at Clinic de Paris.
Hindi lang siya about sa buhok. To be honest, yung transformation mas malalim. Parang unti-unti kong nakuha ulit yung confidence ko. Hindi lang sa itsura, kundi sa sarili ko. May certain peace of mind ka na, knowing na nagawa mo ito para sa sarili mo. Honestly, ang laki ng effect. May shift talaga. Not just in appearance, but in how I carry myself. And that kind of confidence, it's open doors. I'm excited for what's next.